Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make $50 to $100 using Bybit sports trading. You can actually do this every single day, every single time, making tons of money. Now let's dive straight into the video. So basically, as you can see, I'm looking at my laptop, and on my laptop, you can see I'm currently on the Bybit app, on the Bybit website. Sorry, on the Bybit website. In order for you to see or search for coins, you need to use or click on this section, then you click and use the search. So the next thing you want to do in order for you to go ahead and start looking for profitable coins to trade on the Bybit app, so you can actually make cool money. But one thing you also need to note is trading or doing this might not give you huge amounts of money, unless you use huge capital. All right, I'm sure most of you already know this because you need to use, since this is just buying and investing in a coin, you need to use huge capital to make money. So now the next one to do is to come to CoinMarketCap. We're going to be doing all the analysis on the CoinMarketCap. So on CoinMarketCap, what you want to do is click on filter, and on filter you click on add filters. Then add filters, you click on volume, and you add 10 million because you want coins from 10 million, coins that are from 10 million above. Then you want the change should be around let's say changes should be around 10% to 0%. Why is it 10%? Why is it minus 10%? Sorry, minus 10% because you're actually buying on Bybit. All right, you can't sell, so you're buying. So if you click on the price, then you put in from 0.7 to $2. Then put that, then click on show. Why are you doing this? Because these are profitable coins on the crypto space, and basically these are coins you can actually go ahead and trade. So now, how do you know the profitable coin to trade? Now let's say, for example, let's just use this list. We don't need to do basically, I said you should do fundamental analysis to know if this is the right coin and all, but we don't want to do all of that. I don't want to waste much time in this video. But if you want to know that, you can actually let me know by joining my Telegram or Discord channel. The link will be in the description below. So let's start with Jupiter. I'll come to Bybit, then I'll search for Jupiter. Basically, you need to know if those coins are already available on the Bybit sports trading, right? And I've seen most of these coins on Bybit. That's why I'm not actually doing this research, all right? So in case if it's new coin, you need to do your research. So once you're in this section, now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and add this indicator to know if you can actually go ahead and buy this particular coin. And you need to take note of this part. It's very, very important. And I'm sure if you're enjoying the video, kindly like this video and also don't forget to subscribe. So if you can't find this indicator on the normal standard view on Bybit, change to the trading view, then click on the indicator section, then search for RSI. RSI is relative strength index. Click on it, then it's going to show you this graph below your below the candlesticks. Then what you want to do is to look at this graph. So looking at this graph, the best time for you to go ahead and buy is when the coin is below 30. When it's below 30, you can buy. When it's above 70, you can sell. So looking at this, you can see right now the price is currently at, let me say, 50, which means it's not a good time to buy this coin. And if you decide to buy this coin thinking it might get to 70 or above 70, you might not really make a good amount of money. Why I said you should target the ones below 30 is because you're going to make good amount of money doing this. So let's take a look at an example right here on this same graph. If you look at it in the previous chart, this was this was May 13, sorry, on May 19. This was May 19. May 19, this particular coin, that was yesterday, this particular coin did 20%, which was a good time to buy. So imagine you bought this coin yesterday. Imagine you bought this coin at this particular time you are seeing on this video. You bought this coin when this coin was actually 20% yesterday, and now, which is today, or let me say a few hours, which is midnight in my own time, and this coin rose to 72%, you would have made profit overnight. You would have made profit overnight selling or doing this. So how do you know when to buy and when to sell, which is what I've actually explained in this video, and I've showed you how to go ahead and find these profitable coins. And if you believe you don't really understand most of this stuff, like I said, you can go ahead and join my Discord channel. My Telegram channel is not really active, but my Discord is really, really active. So you can go ahead and join my Discord. You can drop your questions in the crypto space section of my Discord, and I'll try my best to answer all your questions. So now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and put in the amount of the amount of USDT you want to use to buy this particular coin. Let's say you found that coin which is doing below 30%, and you put in, like I said, make use of huge capital, because you want to make good profits. If you don't make use of huge capital, you'll make good profits. So now once you put in, let's say for example we want to make use of $100. If you make use of $100, it's going to show you the amount in, to show you the quantity. But right now I don't have any amount. I don't have any amount of USDT in my account. My coins are not on Bybit. My coins are on MEXC. Right, my coins are on MEXC. So you can see the quantity is 0, and right now it's because of I don't have any USDT, like I said. So once you have that, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead. Basically, I would advise you use take profits indicator, or sorry, take profit order. If you click on it, you take profits. It's going to show you when to take profits and when to set a stop loss. All right, so this is where you can actually, why are you doing this? Because you want to know when to sell, because you want to sell at that time when it's going to get to when it's going to get to um when it's going to get to the 70%. But this is the part where I'm not going to mention in this video. If you want to learn about that, you need to make use of money to learn it, because this is a premium knowledge and I don't want to give it out here for free. But I've given you how to get and find these coins. All right, I've given you how to go and find these coins, how to go ahead and buy. But with this, you can just use the limit order, go into the market, or use the market order and go into the market instantly. But you won't be able to set stop loss and you won't be able to set that take profits. Basically, you don't need stop loss, because this is just spot trading. You're buying, you're not taking any loss. But take profits will allow you know when to actually take your profits from the market. All right, which is why I'm not mentioning it in this video. This is a premium knowledge, like I said. So after that, you just click on buy, and the coin is going to be at the bottom of this section. But once it gets to 70%, you won't know when it gets to 70%. All right, which means you need to watch your trade to know the right time to sell it yourself. All right, so that's just it, guys. I think I've mentioned how to go ahead and make money using Bybit sports trading. I can make cool money doing this every single day. Cool money. All right, it's a cool money. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, kindly subscribe and like.